In this series of videos, we wanted to highlight the different meanings behind the term design automation, the different problems that can arise and how these relate to you and your business, along with some potential solutions and benefits. This video explores design automation for consistent quality. Today we are all used to the idea of creating 3D CAD data, which has helped extensively within engineering, design, product development for many years now. But increasingly, companies want to standardize and improve quality consistency across their engineering and design teams, from consolidating drawing styles across the team to ensuring that all BOM and parts list information is accurate and complete, to lowering data quality rejection rates. But what does this look like from a day-to-day perspective? Here are some common problem statements we receive where companies are facing consistency and quality issues, some of which may resonate with yourself, and all areas that design automation could help address, from drawings looking completely different from the same team, to components missing correct metadata information, to time-consuming rework for parts list or sheet metal developments. So how can we help address these problems and help you maximize your potential? There are a number of potential solutions, from simple adoptions of set properties within our Excitech Inventor Toolkit, combined with an optimized drawing template, to creating a tailored content center library with pre-populated metadata, to larger and wider-reaching Vault Professional implementations with data standards. There is always a right solution to suit the size and complexity of your problem. Here you can see a live example of our set properties tool within the Excitech Inventor Toolkit. This gives you the opportunity to specify the exact properties you want users to enter and store with a file, adding standardized lists where appropriate and making fields mandatory when needed. All of this information is written back to the standard iProperties or creates custom iProperties where needed to fully capture all data. With an optimized drawing template, this data can pre-populate your title blocks and borders with the correct map data from your model. Here we see a second example to help improve consistent quality, this time based upon Inventor's Content Center. Taking the time to set up a company content center library can save valuable time and ensure all users are using common components across designs whilst automatically generating the correct part number and description data for parts lists. So hopefully this video has given you some insight into what we think design automation based around consistent quality means, and introducing some level of this automation within your business can definitely bring lots of benefits, some of which could be improved standardization, improved compliance, and along with that, increased productivity. So get in touch today and see how we can help you achieve more.